In today's video, we're going to talk about why your backpack needs chest straps to help with the stability and balance while you're wearing your backpack. Before we jump in, be sure to subscribe and tap the bell to be notified of all future videos. So chest straps or sternum straps are valuable because it's going to help disperse the weight of your backpack. It's ultimately a great way just to keep your backpack balanced while you're headed to your destination, and it's going to reduce the strain on your shoulders. It's also going to make wearing a heavier backpack a lot easier because you don't have to worry about having bad posture or strain on your back over a long period of time. But here's the thing, the majority of backpacks don't even have chest straps. So chest straps are something that you'll find primarily in hiking bags. To illustrate this point, we're going to show you guys what it looks like on the Voyager backpack. Here's the chest strap. You'll see webbing material here with a buckle. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you adjust the height. Depending on your body type, you'll want to make it higher or lower. A general rule of thumb is that you want to make sure the chest strap is right here on your chest, a little bit higher than you think. I've maxed this out. I've brought it to the highest position, which is ideal for my body type. And then all you do is buckle it. So the next thing is you want to cinch it. So just tighten it a little bit, just make sure that you adjust the chest strap so that it's actually comfortable for you because you'll be wearing it. So what you're doing here is basically bringing the shoulder straps together, tightening it a little bit. That way the shoulder straps don't fall off and the weight is evenly distributed across your back. So it's going to make it a lot more comfortable whether you're going to a photo shoot or a longer hike. When you're picking your next backpack, just make sure if you plan on carrying camera gear, hiking equipment, some heavier items, just make sure whichever backpack you go with that it features a sternum strap because it's going to balance the load and it's going to make it more comfortable to carry heavier items. So something to keep in mind. Do you guys regularly use your chest straps? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and also tap the bell to be notified of all future videos. We'll see you next time.